Ever wondered why some people seem to attract opportunities, wealth, and happiness effortlessly while others struggle? It's not just luck, it's energy. Everything around you, including your thoughts and emotions, is energy. And the best part? You can manipulate it. You don't need years of training or complicated rituals. You can start right now. Energy is constantly flowing through you, shaping your experiences, influencing your reality. When you understand how to direct it, you gain control over your life in ways you never imagined. The key is to first become aware of the energy within and around you. Right now, take a deep breath. Notice the sensations in your body. That's energy. Every thought you have, every emotion you feel, is energy vibrating at a specific frequency. The moment you learn how to shift that frequency, you change everything. One of the simplest ways to manipulate energy is through intention. Your intention directs energy. Like a laser guiding a beam of light. When you focus on something with clarity and conviction, your energy moves in that direction. This is why people who expect good things often experience them, while those who dwell on negativity attract more struggles. The universe responds to your energetic output, matching it with experiences that align with your state of being. Now, let's talk about the power of your hands. Your hands are powerful tools for energy manipulation. Try this: rub your palms together for a few seconds, then slowly pull them apart. You might feel warmth or tingling between them. That's energy. You can shape it, direct it, and use it to influence your surroundings. This is why healers place their hands over the body to transfer energy. If you learn to focus and strengthen this ability, you can move energy with just your thoughts. Breathwork is another essential technique. Your breath is life force energy, and how you breathe affects how energy flows through you. Shallow, erratic breathing scatters energy, making you feel disconnected and powerless. Deep, intentional breathing centers you, allowing energy to move freely. Try inhaling deeply through your nose, holding for a moment, then exhaling slowly through your mouth. Do this a few times, and you'll feel a shift in your energy instantly. Visualization is another powerful tool. Your mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined. That's why athletes visualize success before competitions, and why people who consistently picture their goals tend to achieve them. When you visualize energy moving, you direct it. Close your eyes and picture a bright light flowing through you, cleansing and energizing every cell. Imagine sending this light into a situation you want to improve. You are literally programming reality with your energy. Now, let's talk about emotions. Your emotions are a direct expression of your energy. High-frequency emotions like love, gratitude, and joy expand your energy field, attracting positive experiences. Low-frequency emotions like fear, anger, and doubt contract your energy, limiting your potential. The fastest way to shift your energy is to shift your emotional state. Instead of waiting for something external to make you happy, generate the feeling of happiness first. Feel gratitude before you receive. Feel abundance before it shows up. This is how energy works, it responds to what you generate from within. Grounding is also crucial. If your energy is scattered or chaotic, grounding brings balance. One of the easiest ways to ground yourself is by connecting with the earth. Walk barefoot on grass, sand, or soil. If you can't do that, simply imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth, anchoring you. The earth has an infinite supply of stabilizing energy, and when you connect with it, you feel centered and strong. Another technique is speaking your reality into existence. Words carry energy. What you say repeatedly becomes imprinted into your subconscious mind, which then shapes your external reality. If you constantly say, "I always struggle," or "nothing ever works for me," Your energy aligns with those statements, and life reflects them back to you. Shift your words, and you shift your energy. Speak as if what you desire is already happening. Say, I am powerful. I attract abundance. Everything is working out for me. Feel the truth in those words, and your energy will match them. Energy manipulation isn't something mystical or reserved for a select few. You are already doing it. Every thought, every emotion, every intention you set is shaping your reality. The difference between those who manifest effortlessly and those who struggle is awareness. When you become aware of your energy, you gain the power to direct it consciously. You can choose the frequency you operate on. You can choose to attract what you want instead of what you fear. Now, let's talk about energy blocks. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, it feels like energy just isn't moving. This happens when you hold on to limiting beliefs, unresolved emotions, or past experiences that still affect you. These blocks create resistance, making it harder for energy to flow freely. The solution? Release. One of the best ways to clear energy blocks is through movement. Dance, stretch, shake your body. Anything that gets energy moving. Stagnant energy leads to stagnation in life. Keep moving, and your energy stays fluid and powerful. When you start working with energy, one of the most important things to understand is how external influences shape your personal field. The people you interact with, the environments you step into, and even the media you consume can either strengthen or weaken your energy. If you've ever walked into a room and felt an immediate sense of heaviness or tension without anyone saying a word, that's your energy field picking up on external vibrations. The same way, if you've been around people who constantly complain, criticize, or drain your focus, you may find yourself feeling exhausted without knowing why. Energy is contagious, and when you're not mindful of what you allow into your space, you may unknowingly carry energy that isn't yours. One way to protect your energy is by creating an energetic boundary. This doesn't mean isolating yourself. It means being aware of what affects you and deciding what you allow in. Before interacting with people or stepping into a place that feels energetically heavy, visualize a shield of light around you. Imagine it acting like a filter, allowing in positive energy while keeping out anything that doesn't serve you. This is a simple but powerful way to maintain your energetic strength. Another way to reinforce your boundary is by being selective with what you consume. The news, social media, music, and movies all carry energy, and whatever you expose yourself to frequently shapes your mindset and emotions. Choose wisely. Surround yourself with things that uplift, inspire, and expand your awareness rather than lower your vibration. Another way to clear blocks is through sound. Sound is vibration, and vibration influences energy. This is why certain music uplifts you while other sounds drain you. If you feel stuck, try humming, chanting, or listening to high-frequency sounds like singing bowls or binaural beats. The right frequencies can dissolve stuck energy and raise your vibration instantly. Your environment also plays a big role. If you're surrounded by clutter, negativity, or chaotic energy, it affects your own energy field. Clear your space, remove anything that feels heavy or stagnant, and fill your surroundings with things that uplift you. Open windows for fresh air, burn incense or sage, or place crystals around your space to enhance positive energy. Your environment should support your energy, not drain it. Lastly, practice stillness. Silence is one of the most powerful ways to reset your energy. In stillness, you connect with your core energy, free from distractions and external influences. Spend a few moments each day in quiet reflection, just observing your breath and energy. This simple practice strengthens your ability to manipulate energy with ease. You don't have to wait for the right moment to start. You already have everything you need. Your thoughts, Emotions, breath, and intention are the tools. The more you practice, the stronger your energy becomes. The more conscious you are of it, the more powerful you become. Now, let's talk about synchronicities. These are meaningful coincidences that seem to align to be random. Have you ever thought about someone, and then they suddenly called or texted you? Or maybe you kept seeing a certain number, word, or symbol repeatedly. These are signs that your energy is aligning with something larger. When you are in sync with your energy, life responds in ways that feel magical. The more aware you are of these moments, the more you can use them to guide your path.